Can you tell us about your lab's research?
Yeah, so I run an urban landscape ecology lab here at Concordia University in our biology department. And what our lab studies are all of the different types of green spaces throughout the city. So everything from parks to street trees to people's backyards to like the scraggly green spaces across along the railway tracks. And what we look at is how those green spaces can help to conserve biodiversity. So, what species are we sharing our cities with? And also, what are the benefits that people receive from having different types of greenery in the city with them?
So, why is urban ecology important?
And so, we often think of nature as something that we have to go to or leave the city to experience. But for most of us, most Canadians, 8 out of 10 Canadians live in a city. More than half of people worldwide live in a city. And that means when we're interacting with the natural environment, we're usually doing that in our own backyards in the city. And so ensuring that we have high quality nature to interact with, that we have species to interact with and develop that sense of stewardship, that love for the environment is incredibly important to me.
How do you incorporate your lab's research into the curriculum of your urban ecology class?
By running an experiential learning project with the students. And so we partner with the Concordia Office of Sustainability. We also work very closely with Jackie Martin, who manages urban agriculture and biodiversity on campus through the facilities management unit. And the project is to develop recommendations for more ecological management of our campus.
So we're proposing two guidelines for shrub and tree management on campus. The first is planting a Milwaukee tiny forest. This is usually planting a tiny forest the size of a tennis court, and it can be either at the downtown campus or at Loyola. It is to increase greening efforts and to increase biodiversity and ecosystem services. Our second guideline would be for vertical stratification under trees, either planted trees or already present trees on campus. This would also increase the layers that are present. So, for example, mycorrhizae, small flowers, grasses, shrubs, and then trees as well.